Welcome to PromptHR Tutorials. Today we shall see the process how to create holiday names in PromptHR. Before you log in into PromptHR, please check you must have admin rights to access Master's menu. The steps to follow are fairly straightforward. Log into PromptHR. Switch to your admin role. Choose Masters from your left-hand side menu. It is the first option. Click on Miscellaneous. Then click on Holiday. You see, click on plus icon at the bottom of your screen to open the form to add holiday. Now enter name of the holiday. For example, Raksha Bandhan is the name of holiday that I want to create. Enter the date on which date this holiday will be, for example 3rd of August, 2020. And save. After saving, you can see the newly created holiday in your list. After creating Holiday Master, you will have to create Leave Calendar using Leave Calendar submenu that is given under Leave menu. Using this, you will have to create Holiday Location /Sidewise. Please watch another video for this, link is given there in description box.